Alright, here we are at the very last lesson of the last module, right? We are looking at a sales page. We just want to go to the asset store, right? And right here, they're usually having some kind of a sale, right? So I can go and look at whatever. Currently, they're having a tomorrow sale. So I can click on this tomorrow sale, and here inside of Unity, I can see this thing that I've been looking at, this space for Unity. And it's a way to construct levels very easily. So I've looked at this and said, you know what, I want to buy this. It's 75% off. It's typically $85, and I'm going to be able to get it for $21.25. So I want to hit buy. And when I do, it's going to come up with a cart. So I'm sitting here inside of Unity itself getting ready to buy this. Now, what I can do is, hit X out of here and not do that. So instead of buying it from inside of Unity, I could also just go to the asset store. And again, I'm going to click on this tomorrow cell and find it here. And again, I'm already logged in here, so I can hit buy here, in which case I get the exact same look, right? So it doesn't matter if I'm actually just on the website or if I'm inside of Unity, it looks the exact same way. So with that, I'm going to actually hit checkout now on the website. And we see now I actually have information I want to do. Now I'm obviously have some of this blurred out, but boils down to I already have my credit card on file. I could have picked PayPal as well if I wanted to. So you could actually activate Express Purchase if you wanted to, in which case you just simply need to enter your password and it will automatically charge your card right then. I'm not going to do that. So I'm actually going to select PayPal and hit Purchase. Alright, and so obviously I have some of this stuff, grayed out. But I can just hit Pay Now for PayPal. It's going to charge my card that I have associated to PayPal, and now I actually have a transaction ID. Now that I've done that, I can go back to the asset store and hit OK now that I've finalized my PayPal payment. And it's going to go and say, hey, the transaction is successful. Go to the download manager to download the purchase assets. So I'm going to open the download manager. Here's the space for Unity that's in my download. I can hit open in Unity, hit allow. It's going to go in here, and now I have the download. Instead of buy, now I have download. And of course I could have just went straight in here again and it would have found it and would have had the updated thing. And at this point I've purchased an asset from the asset store. And now that it's downloaded, here's everything I'm going to be able to import into my project. Alright, and just like that, I now have my Space Unity stuff installed. So that's all there is to browsing the asset store, looking for sales, whether you do it from within inside of Unity or directly through the browser. And it's even how you can go and purchase something and immediately get it inside of Unity. The asset store is fantastic. I highly suggest that as you start digging into Unity, that you take some time to look for some assets, even the free ones, to help you along your way.